Good evening po. Salamat po sa panood ninyo at good night, sweet dreams. See you my next live tomorrow. Mag-ingat kayo lagi and God bless you all. And more blessing to come and stay strong, good health, and happy family. Bye everyone, because now time check 12:30 Qatar time. So, good night sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat kayo. At see you my next live tomorrow. Good night, sweet dreams. Love you. Thank you for watching my live. See you my next live tomorrow. Tomorrow may pag-games ako tomorrow sa live. Sana po mag-join kayo sa live. Bye-bye. Ingat. Good night, sweet dreams. Love you.